Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of downloading and signing up for Unocoin. Unocoin is India's first crypto asset and blockchain company with over 1 million customers. They make it easy to buy, sell, store, use and accept crypto assets securely in India. So if you want to find out how you can download and sign up for Unocoin, then make sure to stick with me till the end of the video. First of all, open the App Store if you are an iOS user, or go to the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Then in the search bar type Unocoin and search for it. So here's the Unocoin app that you are looking for. To download the app, all you have to do is tap on the Get option right here. In place of Get option, there is Open options showing in my screen. This is because I've already downloaded the app. Once the app has been downloaded in your device too, tap on Open to go to the app. Now the app might take some time to load. Once loaded, you'll be able to see this interface. In order to sign up, you'll have to tap on the option Sign Up. Now you'll be asked for your mobile number. So enter the mobile number of your account and then enter the password. After that, you can also enter the coupon code, but since this is optional, you can skip this. Besides entering coupon code, you can also enter referral code, but this is also optional, so you can skip this one as well. Now, once you have entered all these details, check on this box that says I agree to Unocoin terms and conditions. And if you want to read their terms and conditions, you can tap on the link Terms and Conditions. Once you have filled in all these details and agreed to their terms and conditions, tap on the option Sign Up, and finally you'll be able to create an account in Unocoin. So in this way, you can download and sign up for Unocoin. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Help Tech. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.